So this is how you make edible cookie dough. So you need 1 cup of all-purpose flour. You need 3/4 cup of packed brown sugar. You need 1/2 cup of butter or an entire stick. You need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You need 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of milk, and 1 cup of chocolate chips. In your bowl, you want to add all the dry ingredients. So that's your flour, packed brown sugar, and salt. And then you want to mix it with your Christmas spatula. And then you mix it. And this is what it should look like. A little bit chunky. And then you add your wet ingredients, which are butter, vanilla, and milk. And then you mix. Ooh, it smells good. Last and final step is to add the best part, the chocolate chips. And then you mix it all up. And now that your cookie dough is all mixed up, you can scoop it and serve and enjoy. Delicious. And that's how you make edible cookie dough. Mmm, yummy.